Brought my youngest daughter back to Georgia with me, which is where she met her partner, and she conceived. She has a little girl who is right now 5 months, and this baby is phenomenal. Ayana's liberty is nothing like her sisters. Her sisters, they are vegetarians, but they still eat starches. They don't have the average weight that I have. They have the average weight of a starchitarian. You know, they eat fruits and vegetables, but starch is pretty much kind of, the base of how they move throughout their day. Ayana, hers was primarily fruit, which I was on everything she basically ate. So by the time she delivered her youth, the baby came. I mean, it was just amazing. Her husband taped it. He videotaped all of it. I didn't even know he was taping it. He had it on his phone because I'm still kind of primitive when it comes to, technology. So I was like, oh my word, you taped her. And so I'm like, here he come. And I said, it's a girl. And he was like, we were stunned because the whole entire time I'm thinking that she's a boy. But I never questioned or asked. I just knew it was a boy because of how she carried it. Well, I carried my babies high and low, so I really never knew. And when she came, she crawls up her mother. She's a little infant now, out the womb, and she crawls up her and moved up toward her breast, which was amazing. And so I sucked the mucus out of her nose and her mouth and her ears, and I tied the cord in 3 places and placed her on top of Ayana. She scoots up, and then she opens her mouth. This is rare. No baby I ever saw born, and I've seen plenty of babies born. She opens her mouth and puts it on her breast. Now, when we were having ours, my mother would tell us to pinch the breast and put the breast in the baby's mouth. We had to fit the breast in, not this one. No, she knew exactly what to do. It was amazing.